Africa is a treasure trove of diverse fruits, many of which remain untapped. With its abundant sunshine and fertile lands, the continent produces a wide variety of fruits, from citrus to tropical, offering immense potential for the juice industry. Welcome to Transforming Fruits into Juice in Africa, where we explore how semi-industrial machines can revolutionize the fruit juice industry. Africa is abundant with fresh, high-quality fruits like mangoes, pineapples, oranges, and more. However, much of this produce goes to waste due to inadequate processing facilities. Today, we'll dive into how you can turn this potential waste into a profitable business. Traditional juice-making methods are labor-intensive and inefficient. This often leads to significant post-harvest losses and limits the production capacity. To harness the full potential of Africa's fruit resources, we need to adopt modern, semi-industrial approaches. Semi-industrial juice-making machines offer a viable solution to the challenges faced by the African juice industry. These machines can significantly increase production efficiency, reduce wastage, and improve product quality. Semi-industrial machines strike a perfect balance between small-scale operations and fully industrial setups. They are affordable, efficient, and suitable for small to medium enterprises. Let's explore the key components of a semi-industrial fruit juice processing line. Fruit washer. The fruit washer ensures that all fruits are clean and free from contaminants before processing. The crusher breaks down fruits into a fine pulp, making it easier to extract juice. The juice extractor efficiently separates juice from pulp, seeds, and skins. Pasteurizer. Pasteurization involves heating the juice to kill harmful bacteria and extend shelf life. Choosing ripe and fresh fruits, washing and cleaning to remove impurities, sorting and grading to ensure uniform size and quality, using appropriate machines like juicers, extractors, or presses to extract juice. Different methods for different fruit types, citrus, tropical, etc. Removing pulp, seeds, and other solids to improve juice clarity. Africa is blessed with a rich variety of fruits suitable for juice production. Some of the most common include citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, limes, grapefruits. Tropical fruits, mangoes, pineapples, passion fruits, papaya, guava, berries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries in some regions. Finally, the filling machine packages the juice into bottles or cartons ready for the market. Let's explore the juice-making process for some of the most common fruits found in Africa. Mangoes are abundant in Africa and make delicious juice. The process involves washing, crushing, extracting, pasteurizing, and packaging. Mango juice is rich in vitamins and can be a popular product in both local and international markets. Pineapples, another common fruit, undergo a similar process. Pineapple juice is refreshing and has numerous health benefits, making it a desirable product. Oranges are widely grown and consumed in Africa. Orange juice is a staple in many households and is easy to produce with semi-industrial machines. Passion fruit juice is exotic and highly nutritious. Its unique flavor can attract a broad customer base. Now that we've seen how to make juice from various fruits, let's discuss the business opportunities and market potential. With the growing population and urbanization, the demand for ready-to-drink juice is rising. People are looking for healthy, convenient beverage options. Processing fruits into juice significantly reduces post-harvest losses, making use of fruits that would otherwise go to waste. High-quality African fruit juice can find markets beyond the continent, offering lucrative export opportunities. By sourcing fruits locally, juice manufacturers can support local farmers and contribute to the agricultural economy. Many African governments are prioritizing agriculture and food processing, offering incentives and support to entrepreneurs. Identify target market segments. Conduct market research to understand consumer preferences. Analyze competition and pricing strategies. Develop a comprehensive business plan. Outline production capacity, equipment requirements, and financial projections. Create a marketing and distribution strategy. Establish reliable sources of fresh fruits. Consider partnerships with farmers. Implement strict quality control measures. Ensure food safety standards are met. Create attractive packaging designs. Develop a strong brand identity. Build a distribution network. Explore export opportunities. Calculate production costs and pricing. Determine the return on investment. Explore financing options. Starting a juice business requires careful planning. Here are practical steps to get you started. A solid business plan outlines your goals, target market, production capacity, and financial projections. Explore funding options such as government grants, loans, and private investors. Select a location with good infrastructure, access to raw materials, and proximity to your target market. Invest in reliable, semi-industrial machines that suit your production, needs, and budget. Hire skilled workers and provide training to ensure smooth operations. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your juice products. Establish distribution channels to reach your customers effectively. The potential for semi-industrial fruit juice making in Africa is immense. By investing in these affordable machines, you can tap into a growing market, support local agriculture, and create a profitable business. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more insights into the world of food processing in Africa. See you in the next video. The efficiency of juice extraction significantly impacts the overall yield and quality of the final product. Designed specifically for citrus fruits. Employ a reaming or squeezing mechanism to extract juice. Manual or electric options available. Industrial models can handle large volumes of fruit, versatile for various fruits. Crush the fruit and separate juice from pulp and solids. Suitable for fruits like mangoes, pineapples, and tomatoes. Effective for high-yield extraction, especially for grapes and apples. Apply pressure to extract juice. Require more maintenance and cleaning. Fruits are washed, sorted, and prepared for extraction. Fruits are fed into the extractor. The machine extracts juice, separating it from pulp and solids. The extracted juice is collected in a holding tank. To enhance the appearance and taste of the juice, clarification and filtration are essential steps. Batch pasteurization. Heating the juice to a specific temperature for a set time, and then cooling. Continuous pasteurization. Juice flows continuously through a heating and cooling system. Rapid cooling is essential to prevent nutrient loss and maintain flavor. Heat exchangers are commonly used for efficient cooling. The final step involves filling the juice into containers and sealing them for low viscosity juices. Vacuum fillers, for preventing oxidation and maintaining product quality. Pressure fillers, for high viscosity products. Glass bottles, premium look and feel. Plastic bottles, lightweight and cost-effective. Tetra Pak cartons, aseptic packaging for long shelf life, ensuring airtight seals to prevent contamination. Various capping methods based on container type. Juice blending, combining different juices to create new flavors. Juice concentration, removing water to increase shelf life and reduce transportation costs. A combination of sterilization and packaging to achieve extended shelf life without refrigeration. By understanding these processes and selecting the appropriate machinery, juice producers can create high-quality products that meet consumer demands. Before diving into marketing, it's crucial to understand your target market. Conduct thorough market research to identify your potential customers, their preferences, and buying behavior. Knowing your audience helps tailor your products and marketing efforts to meet their needs effectively. Develop a strong brand identity that resonates with your target market. Your brand should convey quality, health benefits, and authenticity. Invest in attractive and functional packaging that stands out on the shelves and communicates your brand values. Differentiate your products from competitors by offering unique flavors, organic options, or value-added features such as fortified juices with added vitamins and minerals. Highlight these unique selling points in your marketing materials. Set competitive pricing that reflects the quality and value of your juice, Consider a tiered pricing strategy with premium products for higher-end markets and affordable options for price-sensitive customers. Conduct regular market analysis to adjust prices based on demand and competition. Establish a robust distribution network to ensure your juice reaches consumers efficiently. Partner with local retailers, supermarkets, and convenience stores. Explore online sales through e-commerce platforms, offering home delivery options to cater to urban consumers. Launch promotional campaigns to create awareness and drive sales. Use a mix of traditional and digital marketing channels. Television and radio ads can reach a broad audience, while social media campaigns target specific demographics with engaging content. Leverage social media platforms to engage with your audience directly. Investing in semi-industrial fruit juice production in Africa is a promising venture. By leveraging the continent's abundant fruit resources and adopting modern technologies, entrepreneurs can build successful businesses while contributing to the overall economic development of the region.